turn. Ano ba pinagsasabi ni ano? No, we need to move here. She doesn't wanna. Okay, be careful on the stump. Ready? Kita nyo na, kita mo na yung Julie na ni. Itika ng mahais nila. Are you gonna do it again? Yeah. Okay. Ano ba pinagsasabi? Jilana, what you doing? Oh! Catch the ball, Jilana. Oh! Wow! Oh, Jilana, that was so strong. Okay, one more or you're done? You're done? Okay. No, that's really nice setup there. I'm so glad we bought that square one. It looks nice though. You said oblong. Oval. Yan ba yung bago? No, is that the new one? Oh yeah, the old one will be hurt. Yeah, that hurt. Masakit yan eh. Get the new one then. Go get the new one. Oh really? How come? Okay, give it to your sister, Julie. Oh. Oh, you want catch the ball? Okay. Catch the ball, okay. See, catch the ball is better. Stop! La. I'm gonna remember what you said to me, La. Oo, malaki na. Yeah. Oh, that hurts though. Oh, good job, Jilana. Oopsie. Oh, you're together? Your team? Your team? Oh, that's a team. Wow. You need to be prepared, Juliana. You're not prepared. No, it's not bad. You're good. Nox. Nox.